Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're tackling a common problem that many Excel users face. The problem at hand involves populating a cell in a spreadsheet based on certain conditions. Specifically, we need to address a scenario where we want to display battery in a cell if another cell is blank, while also considering the content of a corresponding cell. It might sound tricky, but fret not, we'll walk you through the solution step by step. In terms of the solution, we'll be utilizing a powerful Excel function called if combined within and clause. By implementing this technique, we can check multiple conditions simultaneously and determine the appropriate output. Remember, the key here is to assess both the cells in columns A and B to decide whether battery should be displayed in column A. With the correct syntax in place, Excel will seamlessly handle these logic checks for us. Now, to summarize, by incorporating the if function within and clause, we can efficiently address the problem of populating a cell in Excel based on specific conditions. This approach allows us to automate the process and ensure that the cell displays the desired text accurately. So, next time you encounter a similar challenge in Excel, you know the handy trick to apply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite Excel tip. Until next time, happy Excel, ing.